Pero ito daw yung dapat kukunin natin.
Happy birthday, Ses! Hindi na alam. Biyaw. Ang sama na ugat.
Safe ba yan?
Safe yan?
Sige. Tiwala ka sa akin.
Thank you.
One.
Siyempre na lang yung magkakating.
Salamat.
I'm home with the girls. Gutom na sila. Mamaya pa sila kakain. Hindi na ako nakapaghintay.
Kitchen. Healthy restaurant turf wars, anyone? But then there's also just a
Mga
lot of like
healthy,
boring stuff like the meat, starch, and veggies, just like what you did at home. I don't want to do that.
Pero hindi siya sobrang seryoso na YouTuber yun.
Always the season at season 52. And I can get behind that.
Parang nagka-challenge
For the
lang.
first course, I ordered the Philly cheesesteak flatbread for $15.50, and it was
I think mga 1 hour ago, nakauwi ako. Naligo lang ako tapos nag-pedicure ako. Feeling ko kailangan ko magpa-pedicure sa iba. Pero kasi ayoko masaktan sa mga nail salon. Kaya ginagawa ko na lang on my own. Pero feeling ko napapasama lang siya. But I just need my nails cut. Dahil tatakbo ako ng marami bukas. Today is July 12 and my 21-kilometer run is in 2 weeks yata. Basta it's on July 27. So, maglo-long run ako bukas. I think I'll do a 16K. Pero, last long run ko na yun. I haven't been training well kasi yung ulan. Ayoko din mabasa yung sapatos ko kasi yun lang meron ako na running shoes. If ever na makabili ako, siguro after na ng run kasi hindi ko pa siya priority right now. Ewan ko, paano tayo nakapunta dito? Basta, pagka-uwi ko, naligo na ako, nag-pedicure, tapos, I'm just chilling and catching up on vlogs na nakaka-excite kasi, kailangan ko ng me time or quiet time before the week starts. Kasi, I didn't get to do that. This is something that I realized after ko lumipat na if you really value the relationships that you have or kung meron kayo gusto i-pursue na relationships, kailangan talaga ng effort. I think dati take for granted ko yun kasi everything is near me, ang convenient ng lahat. Kunyari, college, andyan lang lahat. Papasok kayo, mga kasama, kasi kailangan kaya nakikita kayo. Pero nung nag-move out ako, syempre, malayo na ako sa parents ko, sa kapatid ko. So, I have to make conscious effort na makita sila. And, minsan may sacrifices sa oras. Pero, it's mostly time for myself. Yun yung nasa-sacrifice ko. And I'm willing to sacrifice some of it para mabigyan sila ng time. Wala lang. Oh my God, may buhok. Siyempre, akin yun. Wala akong sisisihin na iba. 5 km more. The weather's so nice. Sana hindi umulan. Hi guys, we're here at Cafe du Blanc.
Strawberry matcha.
Milo dinosaur sa akin.
Ang dirty na eh.
5 kaya? Braso ko. Hey guys, I look so rough. I'm such a mess. My house is a mess. So, sana ng boiled eggs, pero madumi yung pot ko. Actually, sobrang dami madumi. I removed the suction thing at the back of my phone. So, wala na akong mapaglagyan na didikit lang siya. Kaya, ako lang tuloy nakikita nyo. Wala na hugasin. Lately, it's been rough at work. So, I haven't been doing well, unfortunately. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Sobrang gulo ng bahay ko kasi after ko manggaling ng Laguna, punta ako ng Bulacan. So, pagkagaling ko ng Bulacan, tulog ako 1 hour, tapos work ulit. Ito yung parang ihi. Ito yung oil galing sa dinip fry ko kahapon. God, I can't speak. It's currently 8 a.m. 7:51 to be exact. And I haven't had breakfast yet. Sobrang gulo. Gusto ko lang kumain. Wala din akong tubig. I'm so out of it, you guys. This might be a video of me complaining. Nahihirapan ako makita yung light sa lahat ng nangyayari ngayon. Breakfast. We have boiled eggs with toyo. Ito, pandesal na may butter garlic. Nakagatan ko na. Sorry. This is my lunch. Hindi to lunch na. Lunch ko yan. I'm just watching the BTSP while working. Lumipat ako dito kasi my back hurts. Oops. Laglagan ako ng router sa mukha. Dito, sa buto. I spilled my coffee. This is my backup router. Nalagay ko siya dyan. I think I did it to myself. So, wala akong masising iba kundi sa sarili ko. But it hurts so much. Kasi yung kapatid ko, naalala ko at natawanan ko because she broke her tooth. Kasi nalaglagan siya ng phone, ng iPad sa mukha, sa ngipin. Bro, it hurts so much. And nothing's going right with my day. I should go to the laundry and then go for a run. I forgot to show you my dinner, but this is as realistic as it can get. Leftover gyoza from a ramen shop in Bulacan. Tapos, meron ako natirang chicken wing. Fried chicken. Tapos, toyo. Oh my God, I love my soy sauce. I'm leaving in, I think, in 30 minutes. Pupunta ako ng coffee shop para magtrabaho kasi pag dito ako, makakatulog lang talaga ako. Dito pala ako. Hi! Hey guys, it's Thursday. It's currently 5:13 a.m. And maaga ko lalabas, maaga ko aalis ngayon kasi mag-grab ako kasi napaparaning ako lately sa mga balita tungkol sa mga motor. Pero alam ko lilipasin to. Ngayon lang to. So I'm leaving early. Dapat mga 5:30 pa ako alis or 5:40. Pero yun. Alis na ako kasi matatraffic ako. My outfit, this is the last of, this is the last of my, cabinet. Kaya, tsura ko. Skinny jeans. Basta ang pangit. Anyway. Sorry! Sorry!
Kaya sabi ko dalawa lang. Alam kong...
Hey guys, I am home. Finally, I'm home. Oh my god. I don't think I told you earlier, but I went to the office without any sleep. Actually, meron, pero mga 30 minutes. Ba't ko yung ginawa? Wala akong tulog. Bali, nagising ako kahapon ng 2 p.m. Tapos, lived my life. I was on leave yesterday. Slept at around mga 3:30, 3:40. So, gising ako mga 4:10. Tapos, punta na ako ng office. Tapos, ngayon, 4 p.m. na. Nakikita ako sa oras.